Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to change each sliding material to your sliding door. Alright, here I'm using a wardrobe custom function. Okay, so I have my sliding door, but the thing is I just want to change the material frame instead of the core. Alright, so how are we going to change the material? So you click to your sliding door. Okay, you can press right click, go to texture, take the edge material. So core material, you can just go to core material, but this time we want to change the edge material. So click to edge material, and then you have the cloud library material that you have. So here I'm just going to use this one. Double click, so you can see your edge material has changed. So same goes to this one. You click to the sliding door, right click, texture, edge material, and then you choose. Alright, so that is how you change material to your sliding door. Texture, edge material. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.